Hey, let's play red light, green light for recess. Okay, you'll be the dog. Okay. Ready? What? TPS. My arm. What happened to your arm? I don't know. It turned invisible. Anyways, why are you still moving? Because I want to be an idiot. You're breaking the rules. Oh my God! Where did you get that revolver? We're not here. I'm the teacher. He didn't follow my direction. Well, you are gonna get detention. What? I was playing red light, green light. Me so angry now. Well, you spoiled rich kid. You're never gonna get a job. You have no deodorant, and at least I know what deodorant is. And get a job. You need a job. And you need a job right now. What is that sound? He wasn't paying attention. Why do you have a revolver? No, mommy! I'm going on! He will go to PS. Oh, you moved.